Chapter 7. The Calculus of Friendship. Mina's triumphant shriek echoed through the kitchen, a burst of pure joy. 2 adjoining rooms. A friend coming to Vegas. It was a dream come true, a complete game changer. The anger and disappointment that had been her constant companions for weeks evaporated in a puff of smoke, replaced by a lightness that made her feel giddy. She bounced on the balls of her feet, ready to sprint to Maya and begin the exciting task of choosing their lucky companion. But then, as her dad finished speaking, saying that she and Maya had to decide together who to bring, a tiny reluctant pause. It wasn't a hitch in her breath, but a mental one. A sudden, cold splash of reality in the warm glow of her excitement. Her joyful momentum stopped her dead in her tracks. Who to bring? The question, so simple on the surface, immediately unfurled a complex web of potential problems. Her mind, so good at mapping out itineraries and sorting logistics, now confronted the far more intricate landscape of teenage friendships. There was Svetlana, her passion project, who was always so kind and sensitive. Raven, who had her brightness, but it was a constant up and down dance with her moods at times. Anna, the logical, steady anchor of their group. And then there were others. Lily, always ready for an adventure. Tiffany, with her constant humor, drama, and grandstanding. And Sophia, who was easily her best friend, but could be rather dull and unimaginative at times. Each girl brought a unique dynamic, a different set of needs and preferences. And each friend, Mina realized with a sinking feeling, also carried the potential for hurt feelings if they weren't chosen. It wasn't just about picking the best person. It was about navigating the delicate ecosystem of their circle, ensuring no one felt left out, undervalued, or worst of all, betrayed. The thrill of the surprise gift began to mix with a new, unexpected anxiety. The sheer joy of the offer now came with the heavy weight of a diplomatic mission. This wasn't just about fun anymore. It was about managing expectations and protecting friendships. The path to Vegas, which had seemed so straightforward and clear moments ago, had just sprouted a thorny detour. There was also something else she thought about. What about the people who they didn't pick? Would they be jealous? Would they hold a grudge? Mina knew what it was like to not get picked, and suddenly the thought of doing this to another made her a bit nauseous. But she had to follow through, so she figured she might as well try to handle the situation with grace and rational thought.